Welcome, today I am with VIVO Y72 5G and I will show you how fingerprint sensor works in the smartphone. So I'm going to make a few tries. The fingerprint sensor we can find right here. It's linked with the power key. So let's start, let's make a few tries. Okay, as you can see, it's really fast. It feels like there's no any delay between touching the sensor and smartphone unlocking. It's also reliable because it recognizes my fingerprint in all tries. Oh, so what I can say, it's very fast and it's reliable. And basically that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.